Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty and easy meat samosas. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of curry powder, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Garamasala, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 piece of jumbo or you can use Magi, optional, 2 large slices of onion, 2 grated carrots, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, a handful of coriander leaves, 1.5 lime or you can use a lemon, and lastly some mince mint. So the first step, you're going to place the mince mint on a medium heat, then add the spices which we have mentioned in the beginning, which are garam masala, curry powder, some salt, black pepper, turmeric, and a piece of jumbo or you can use Magi. The spices I've used are from my brand Laltia Swahili spices. Then afterwards you're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Then lastly, squeeze some lime or you can use some lemon juice and mix everything well, then cover to let the mincemeat to cook on a medium heat. Once the mincemeat starts to produce some water, open the lid and let the mincemeat to cook without covering it until it becomes dry. When the water starts to become less, you're going to add a handful of coriander leaves and mix everything well and nice. Then let the mincemeat to cook until the water is completely dry and the mincemeat is nicely cooked. Once the water is less and the mincemeat is nicely cooked, lastly you're going to add the remaining ingredients, which are sliced onions and grated carrots, and mix everything well and nice, and our mincemeat is ready. And our tasty mincemeat is ready. As you can see in the video, you're going to place in a large bowl and let the meat to cool down. Meanwhile, while the mincemeat is cooling down, you're going to take a medium small bowl and add approximately 3 tablespoons of wheat flour and a bit of water and mix the two ingredients into a smooth paste. The consistency of the flour paste should be like this. And our flour paste is ready, and it's high time to fold our samosas. So the next step, I'm going to cut the samosa sheet into 3. The recipe on how to make samosa sheet is already on my YouTube channel. I'll put the links in the description box so you can able to check out how to make these sheets. Using a scissors, you're going to cut the samosa sheet into 3, as you can see in the video, step by step. Once you're done cutting the samosa sheet, you're going to place them in a tight container, or you're going to wrap them with a clean cloth to avoid the samosa sheet from getting any air. And it's high time to fold our samosa. I'm going to use 3 sheets, or you can use 2 sheets depending on how large you like your samosa to be. Using a flour paste, you're going to attach the samosa as you can see in the video. Then afterwards, fold the sheet into a triangular shape. Then add the mincemeat in and fold the samosa as you can see in the video step by step. When you reach at the end, attach the samosa once more using a flour paste and your samosa is ready, and repeat the same process with the other samosas until you're completely done. And I'm done folding my samosas as you can see in the video, and it's high time to fry them in the oil. The next step, you're going to place a frying pot or a pan on a medium heat and pour some oil and let the oil to heat up a bit. Once the oil is a bit hot, you're going to dip the samosa slowly by slowly and let the samosa to cook on a medium heat until they're nicely fried and golden brown. Once your samosas have this amazing golden brown color, then your samosas are ready, and remove them from the oil and serve them on a plate. And our tasty, crunchy meat samosas are ready as you can see in the video. They're nicely baked and they have this amazing golden brown color. I'm going to cut one samosa so you can able to see how the inside of the samosa looks. Squeeze some lime juice, or you can add some tamarind sauce to add an extra amazing taste to the samosa. Like, these samosas are super tasty. Enjoy with a cold soda or juice and enjoy your meat samosas. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.